Shalom, y'all.
And the
We're gonna
hole
get
it left
a
behind.
bomb or
That's a big one.
or whatever you want to call it, view of me using my homie. I've got lots of plants to plant today, including 2 blueberry bushes. And so what I'm doing is I'm preparing the ground. I've got blueberry bushes already. Yeah, see, there I am. Right here. So I'm trying to keep them all together. Obviously, those blueberry bushes like this area. And so what I'm doing is digging a spot just downhill from them. But I'm using this guy because it's awesome for moving rocks. Let me show you. A little bit difficult to see, but there's a pretty sizable rock there, and I'm not that strong, so I have a hard time picking up big rocks. But this thing, the way it's made, I can just lever under that rock and it picks it up, and I can then place it where I want it. Right there. Because what I'm trying to do is make something like a retaining wall, so when the water runs downhill, the soil stays. And so I'm clearing that bit of stuff. All right, so then got that stick out of the way, and then, yep, found another rock right next to the other rock. And use my little pry bar. Yep. Dig that guy up. There's that rock.
This is the rock that PJ had to get out with a crowbar.
Here's a almost finished product, but the results of the hard work, and had to get help with from Pastor to move that big rock right there. But, I'll follow up with one final shot.